What's up, YouTube? DapperxDan here. Absolutely beautiful day here in Colorado. And we are out on the Supermoto. Jeez, everybody's at the lake today. I guess we'll go that way, see what it's about. Woo! It is chilly. It is so nice out today. Wow. I cannot wait for summer. Is this just... Oh, it's just a pull-off. Never mind. Yeah. Well, I guess I know what's over here now. A whole lot of nothing. Dead end. It's a nice view, though. Ah, yeah, look at these few ropes. All right, you guys, let's get into the topic of this video. Hey, some more Supermoto riders. Ah, you cannot beat these views. This, you got a good idea. This would be an awesome run. You got hills and great views. See, if I were really good, I would wheelie up this. But I'm not. Alright, anyways, back to the topic of today's video. I think at the end of this season, I think I might sell this bike. You guys kind of saw in the last one, I really want a fuel-injected Supermoto. This one is such a pain to start in the cold weather that, don't get me wrong, it's a really nice bike, but I would really like a fuel-injected one. So, at the end of the 2020 season, I think I might sell this and get a newer one. So, what bikes am I looking at, you would say? And my absolute unrealistic dream bike would obviously be the Aprilia SXV 550. Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, I'll go ahead and throw up a picture right now of that. Hey, that would be the ultimate dream bike, and I would obviously get the I think it's 2010 and up. 2010 to 2013, I think, is when they stopped making them. So I get in between those years because The original ones, they had the case sealing issue where it was just they had to replace the motor on them, and it was a bad engine. And then they also had square headlights, which I'm not a fan of. And so that's why I would get one of the newer ones. Jeez, everybody's riding today. I've seen probably like 30 people, at least. And another bike I'm looking at is more realistic, but extremely hard to find. It would be this bike's big brother. Well, what are you saying? That's a 550. How could they make a bigger one? I think 2010 and up, they made a 570cc version of this bike. And that bike is actually, the piston goes like forward like this instead of up and down. And that one is fuel injected. Just an all-around bike, all-around amazing bike. I actually had one of my subscribers that I talked to, I think they owned one or they rode one or something. They said it felt heavy. I don't know the exact weight of it. I know this one is 247 pounds. I'll put up the weight of the 570 up on the screen. But it can't be that much heavier. Hey, what's up, guys? So yeah, the weight difference can't be that much. But yeah, I don't imagine it would be that much of a weight difference pounds wise, but the way that the bike feels, he said it feels like it's heavier, which honestly I don't mind at all. Hey, jeez, get some nice weather and everybody's riding. So that would be a more realistic one. Another bike that I'm looking at would be just like Cycle Cruiser has, the YZ450FX, and convert that into a Supermoto. And that one would actually be pretty realistic. That would just take a lot of time. I left my blinker on the whole time. Hey, what's up, guy? Hey, that looks like a Z900 or whatever. Anyway, so yeah, that would be actually pretty realistic. And two more non-realistic bikes that, I guess this is the top 5. Two more non-realistic bikes that I'm looking at would be a KTM 690 SMC. Those things are like 11, 12 grand though. What I like about that is it's got the nice wide seat. It's got the quick shifter up and down. It's got so much nice technology in that bike. It's got ABS, it's got cornering ABS, it's got so much stuff. So much technology. And then the final bike that I would consider getting, which is probably not realistic, is the Zero FXS, the fully electric Supermoto. But that one, I don't know how many miles I went today. Let's see. We did 25 miles right now today. That one might be realistic. I think those get 200 miles per tank or whatever, per tank. That bike has something ridiculous torque. It's like, I think 74 foot-pounds of torque. So it might be actually, I mean, I probably will do 50 miles today, so I don't know what the range would be if I was riding it hard. But yeah, I could probably get 50 miles out of it, riding it hard. So, those would be the bikes that I would look at getting. The YZ is the most realistic. It's not too far off power-wise from this. I'll post the numbers up on the screen right now. This bike's number is the Husselberg FS550. And here is the YZ 450 FX numbers. So it's not too far off power and torque wise. And the price I think is right around 9,000 or less for a new one. I could find a used one obviously. We finally got one. Golly, I love the torque on this bike. It would just be magnified with that electric bike though, the Zero, because that's like 20 more foot-pounds of torque. Can't even imagine that. Obviously I would love to get the Aquila too, because that's my dream Supermoto. They sound so amazing with that V-twin 550. But they are definitely a race bike. Oil changes like every 100 miles or something like that. They are a race performance bike, that's for sure. And with the Zero, the only thing that I don't like about that bike, I would obviously put a handbrake on it, but the only thing I don't like is the headlight. I do not like that headlight, so I would have to find some kind of aftermarket headlight for it. Just a single round headlight LED, that's all I need. But anyway guys, if you're possibly interested in buying this bike at the end of the season, let me know. It has 4,180 miles on it right now, and I don't imagine it'll be more than 4,300 miles on it by the end of the season. Never mind, I was going to do wheelie, but I think that's a cop behind me. Oh, I love this bike. Anyway guys, thanks for joining me on this short little video. If you're interested in maybe owning this bike at the end of the season, drop a comment, let me know. I do have one friend that I told him I would get first dibs on it if I ever did sell it. So I really want a fuel injected one, so that'll be that. If you guys like today's video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.